Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be frying this super crispy breaded cod. Thank you guys so much for stopping by to watch another video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now, let's cook. So guys, here I have my cod fillet. Now I'm gonna be seasoning with Maggi seasoning. I didn't have the fish season, so I'm just using the chicken one. It all tastes the same. You know, it was so good afterwards, so you know, it was okay. Now guys, I'm just gently, adding that season, just a generous amount on there, and I'm just patting that on the fish. So for my breading, I'm gonna dip my fish in flour first, and you guys can season your flour if you want, it's optional. Then I'm adding it to the milk and egg mixture, then your breadcrumb. And you just want to coat all the fish with that breadcrumb, just making sure that it is fully coated. Now I'm gonna place it on the same cutting board, and we're gonna repeat the process. Now guys, in this skillet on medium to high heat, I'm gently laying the fish in the oil, and you want to lay that away from you because you do not want the oil to splash and burn you. Okay, now I'm going to be frying these for about 25 seconds on each side until they are golden brown. Now we're going to be finishing them off in the oven afterwards. Now guys, this is the color we're trying to achieve, so try not to burn your fish because it's just not appealing to the eyes. Now you want to remove your fish and place it on a baking tray. Now I'm going to repeat the process with the remaining fish. Now guys, this is how they look. Now I'm gonna finish it off in a preheated oven at a temperature at 350 degrees for 5 minutes. And this is how our cod is looking, guys, after 5 minutes. Very crispy and delicious. You guys can go ahead and serve this up with some tartar sauce. Oh my goodness, these were so good, guys. You have to try these. I love you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I post amazing new content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.